windows, and we're gonna put a beautiful desk for our agents. Show you around. You see this for you. This is big. This is private. A bathroom here, and this is gonna be my office. The CEO, president of First Class. This is where I'm gonna be located, and I will have another friends join me in this office. And then also we have another space to show you how big this is office is. This is another room. That's gonna be an extra office for you or any agent that wanted a private office, so you can use it. Folks, I cannot be happy than this. And just to show you more is this office for you. So c'est pour nous office là, mon Broward on a demandé ça longtemps, depuis 10 ans, 15 ans, 20 ans, so on a demandé pour office là. So hey, this is the office for you. So don't you definitely join me. So as we're gonna accomplish this for the people. Hey, ciao, 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 ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Okay, thank you. Share, partager, dans tout mon Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. So partager, share. This office, 4699 North State Road 7 in Tamarac. Commercial, zip code 33319. All right, got it? Ciao. Looking forward to seeing you on October 9, 3 p.m. for the grand opening of Broward office. Broward office.